So I'm going to go ahead here, get these tacked up. I'm just going to tack one up and weld it. I got it on my positioner here in the garage, and I'm just going to keep, going through them. That way I don't have to keep taking them in and out of the positioner. I'm going to put one in the positioner, tack it, and weld it, and we'll move on to the next one. This is just a piece, a 6061, and when I get them, they're actually the same outside diameter as the tube. And I go ahead and I cut them down in the bandsaw so I can make a nice outside corner joint. So I'm going to go ahead and tack this one up and weld it out. So we got them all tacked on there and welded out. The next three things we got to do is we got to put the three on there, tack them on and weld them, and then put the vibrant clamps on them and keep them nice and true when we weld them. So we'll do that next. So we got the ends welded on. This is an extra vibrant V-band I got here. I'll show you guys. It'll just go on there like that once I get the other ones in. So we'll make another video of us welding them on. But these welds on the end, they're kind of tricky because this piece is so thin that it wants to burn away at that edge. So I just kind of trying to go real nice and slow and take my time on them. They always turn out pretty decent. And then this end here, you know, it's just a corner joint weld. So they look really good. I did run I turned the frequency up a little bit on these. I ran 150 hertz. I ran balance at 30, and I ran about 16 CFH with a number 5 on these end pieces here, and on the other ones I ran a number 6 because it was such a big corner joint. But if anybody's got any questions, be glad to answer them and start working on another video.